What is going on, guys? Happy Friday, happy weekend. I actually just finished up mowing the lawn back there. First time I've actually had to mow in a while. We haven't had any rain until this week. We literally have gotten rain every single day this week. It's hard to believe. I got some weekend fun. We're hitting a show in Columbus on Saturday and a few other things with friends. But tonight we are headed to the Henry County Fair in Napoleon, Ohio. There's a local sled pull tonight, and my uncle actually pulls. His Duramax is built for sled pulling, and actually a good friend of mine, part of Team Stance, actually has a couple trucks built for sled pulling. So I just want to take you along for the ride tonight, and I hope you enjoy. After thinking about it while I was eating dinner, I'm gonna go ahead and take the daily tonight. You don't want to risk it, and I think the parking lot's gonna be really muddy, and the truck's clean already, and is a pain to keep clean. So yeah, here we go.
Jump right there at the end of the run. Getting her wound up and very loose through wall. All right, Jason, 276 and 3. Mark Bannister, love that smart.
Hey guys, we've reached the end of all the content I got for you tonight. I hope you enjoyed that quick video I threw together with a couple highlights from the truck pull I went to tonight. It was a great time to spend with friends and family. Now I'm home safe. I got to get up early tomorrow. We're going to Columbus to spend the weekend with some friends that moved down there not that long ago. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys swinging in today and catching this video. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care and have a good night.